Hi, I'm PP, and welcome to the Top Foundation channel. Today, we're exploring a powerful feature within Telegram that you might not be aware of: Telegram mini apps. You already know Telegram as a messaging app, but with mini apps, it transforms into a platform that can handle a lot more. So, what exactly is a Telegram mini app? It's a lightweight web application that runs directly inside Telegram without the need for a separate download or installation. Think of it as a mini program within the chat window, offering services like booking flights, managing tasks, or even playing games without ever leaving the app. How does it work? Mini apps are built using common web technologies like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, which makes them easy to develop and quick to load. Because they're web-based, they're incredibly flexible. You just click a button or type a command, and the app opens up right inside your chat. It's seamless and fast. One of the cool things about mini apps is that developers can create custom experiences for users. Businesses can build apps for shopping, booking services, or customer support directly within Telegram. You could book a table at your favorite restaurant or check your bank balance all without leaving the app. Plus, developers can use Telegram's API to integrate these apps with bots, adding automation and even more convenience. Mini apps also help with collaboration and communication. Imagine this: you're planning a trip with friends. Instead of switching between different apps to search for flights or hotels, you can do everything within your Telegram chat. There are many apps designed for managing tasks, sharing calendars, and even working on documents all in real time with your group. Security is another important feature. Since everything runs inside Telegram, mini apps benefit from Telegram's end-to-end encryption and robust security protocols, keeping your data safe. You don't need to worry about sharing sensitive information. Telegram's platform ensures your privacy. As more businesses and developers adopt mini apps, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's for personal productivity, business services, or entertainment, these apps are enhancing the Telegram experience. So, how do you get started? Simply search for a mini app in the Telegram bot directory or explore the options through channels and groups that offer them. Just click, open, and start using it instantly. That's Telegram mini apps in a nutshell, making your Telegram experience more versatile and powerful. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to the Top Foundation channel for more insights into how technology is changing the way we communicate and stay productive. See you next time.